Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, on the gold, situation is changing rather slowly in recent weeks since, as we have discussed in the videos in the previous week, so market has reached the major target here. It's around 1280 area, and since then it stands in a flat action around it. So we already have specified the next destination point that will be approximately 1330 area. This is, you can see, 1618 extension of our initial A, B, C bottom pattern here. Also, we have this large ABCD that also will have the target in this area. So right now, market has completed just minor 618 extension of this larger pattern. So 1278 is rather strong cluster, not just because here we have multiple targets of the extensions, but also because here we have the weekly resistance, since 1278 is also weekly resistance. But the fact that market stands very tight around this area and doesn't show any significant retracement, it suggests the existing strength of the market, and it's indeed could continue upward action faster than it was anticipated. The only new thing that we could announce here is that, take a look, market actually has formed bullish grabber that we have discussed on Friday, and we said market stands right now very close to the MACD predictor line, and if it will form the bullish grabber, it will suggest the taking out of this top. But the tricky situation stands so that actually market has no significant barriers till the next target. Market is not at every bottom, as on the daily chart, as on the weekly. It doesn't have any strong resistance levels here, so we don't have here no significant pivot points, except maybe from the weekly pivot point of the current week. It has no fib levels, nothing. In fact, this is relatively free space. And if market will exceed this top, it will appear in some free room where the upward action will become significantly more easy than than around the strong resistance levels. So that's why we think that if market will move above this top and the grabber will work, this action will not be limited just by the minimal target of the grabber. So market will not just take this top out and then drop. It will try to continue move higher. Who knows? Maybe this action will also have the political background as a result of the France elections. So maybe this, in general, the technical prediction of the results. So maybe some surprises will appear. Although we have announced, we have warned about the surprises, but what kind of them will be, it's difficult to say right now. So, but anyway, whatever we will get, the overall technical picture here is bullish, and the pairing of the grabber brings more confidence on the immediate upward continuation right on Monday. Another sign that we see here, recall what we said on the hourly chart. Here, guys, while market is calling around the targets, it has been hit 100% extension of our ABCD pattern. This hourly chart of the gold market, we said bearish dynamic pressure is forming here because market hasn't shown any upward bounce as support has been reached, and usually this leads to deeper retracement, deeper downward action. So market should take it out to these lows. But on Friday, take a look what has happened. Market has cancelled the existing of the bearish dynamic pressure and turned to the upward action and has reached the upper border of this channel. Actually, guys, this consolidation is a bullish flag that's forming on the daily chart. And bullish in the flag is the continuation pattern. That's been said. As you can see, market will open around the weekly pivot point, and we could watch for upward breakout, since we keep in mind the bullish grabber that we have on the daily chart. As soon as this breakout will happen, it will mean that market stands in upward continuation. So that's been said. We think that probably retracement could be over. The market will limit it just by the 1275 level that we have discussed. and will not go to the 1260 because we have new inputs right now. Also, we are keeping in mind the possible French surprises, so that we'll get on Monday open. And that's why we think that upward action could be continued right on Monday.